So exercise 9.4, question number 1. The first part, multiply the binomials. 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. This is the question. These two binomials you have to multiply. So first 2x will be multiplied with this entire term, 4x minus 3, plus 5 will be multiplied with this entire term, 4x minus 3. So this is the first step. Then you will open this bracket. So 2x into 4x will be multiplied. So this will be 8x square. Then minus 3 will be multiplied with 2x. So this will be minus 6x, plus these two will be multiplied, 5 into 4x minus 50. Now you will see what are the like terms and you can combine them together. So you have here 8x square. There is no other like term corresponding to that. So this will be 8x square only. Then 20x minus 6x will be 14x. So plus 14x and minus 15. This will be your final answer. Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. These are the binomials which you have to multiply. So first one with the entire second term, that is 3y minus 4 minus 8. Now here since the negative sign was there with 8, so I have written minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Then you will open this bracket. So 3y square minus 4y minus 8 will be multiplied with 3y. So 24y plus 32. Then you will be combining the like terms. So with 3y square there is no other like term. So this will be 3y square. And then minus 4y minus 24y, this will give you minus 28y. And then plus 32. This will be your answer. So from question number 2, we will take up third part, that is find the product of a square plus b and a plus b square. So a square will be multiplied with a plus b square plus b into a plus b square. So a square into a will be a cube plus a square b square plus ba plus b cube. And fourth one also we will be doing p square minus q square into 2p plus q. So here p square into 2p plus q minus q square into 2p plus q. So here you have to be careful with this minus sign. P square into 2p will give you 2p cube plus p square q minus 2q square p minus q cube. So again there are no like terms over here. So this will be your final answer. So here you will see x square minus 5 and x plus 5. These you have to multiply first and then you will be adding 25 to it. X square into x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5. This will be simplified and then at last 25 will be added. to this product. So you will get x square into x will give you x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. This minus 25 and plus 25, this can get cancelled out. So your final answer will be, and rest of the terms that are remaining, in that none of them are like terms, all are unlike terms. So your final answer will be x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So here first, these two expressions have to be multiplied, these two binomials. Then it has to be added to the product of these two plus the product of 2 and AC plus BD. So these terms will be simplified first. Whatever you have to multiply, that you simplify first. So A into C minus D plus B into C minus D. This is the simplification of the first product, plus A into C plus D minus B into C plus D plus 2AC plus 2BD. Because this bracket is there, so 2 will be multiplied with AC also and 2 will be multiplied with BD also. Then you will expand this one. So AC minus AD plus BC minus BD plus AC plus AD minus BC minus BD plus 2AC plus 2BD. Here minus AD gets cancelled out with plus AD, plus BC will get cancelled out with minus BC, then minus BD and minus BD minus 2BD, but I have here plus 2BD term, so I can cancel out these also. So what remains is only AC plus 2AC, that is 4AC. So this will be your final answer. So here x will be multiplied with x square minus xy plus y square plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So x into x square will become x cube minus x square y plus xy square plus yx square minus xy square plus y cube. Now here if you see the like terms, then x square y I have here and again x square y. Yx square is same as x square y. So this is minus and this is plus, I can cancel it out. Then I have here xy square and minus xy square, so these two also will get cancelled out. So the final answer will be x cube plus y cube. Here there are three terms, a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. So here first a will be multiplied with a plus b minus c plus b will be multiplied with a plus b minus c plus c will be multiplied with a plus b minus c. So that is a into a square plus ab minus ac plus again ba or ab plus b square minus bc plus ac plus bc minus c square. So over here a square will remain as it is. AB and plus AB, this will become 2AB. So plus 2AB, then minus AC and plus AC I can cancel out. Minus BC and plus BC also I can cancel out. B square will remain as it is and minus C square will also remain as it is. So this will be the final answer.